Hey everyone, welcome back my channel. I'm Rose here from Korean class. So today we're gonna learning very short Korean words. 6 words. Headline is 똑같은 글자 찾기. 똑같은 means same. 글자 is letter. 찾기 means find. So 똑같은 글자 찾기 is find the same letter. First one, this is, so we learned on the last video, we learned gray color letter. Okay, so we need to find same letter. So T plus O, sto, and 미음 was M and A is A. The same to. Tomato. Tomato is just tomato. Tomato in Korean is tomato. Tomato. And second one, T plus A, ta, 지읒, J plus O is 조. 타조. 타조 is ostrich. Ostrich in Korean is 타조. 타조. And last one, 키읔 is K and O is O. 코, 티읕, 티, 으 is EU. So coat. Coat is also just coat. So when we wearing the cold weather, so we wearing coat. Coat. And this line is, so 디귿, D, O is O. 티읕, T, O is to. And 리을 is L and E is I. 도토리. 도토리 is, we learned last video, acorn. Acorn in Korean is 도토리. 도토리. And where is to? Yeah, here is tomato. So also here is to. 도토리. Here's to. Same letter. And next one. 비읍 is B and O is O. 보. 티읕. 티으 is E. 보트. 보트 is just boat. In Korean is 보트. 보트. So here is 트. Where is 트? Yeah, here is 트. 코트, 보트. 코트 is just coat and 보트 is boat. Connect it. And last one, 기억 is G and E is I, 기. 티읕, T plus A is A. 기타. Guitar is just guitar. Guitar. In Korean is 기타. 기타. So here's 타, also there is 타. 타조, 기타. Connect it. So that's all for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you later. 다음에 봐요.